Greetings and Bunani. Let's do some couple of questions. Question 1. Let's see. Which statement is true? All integers are natural numbers. Okay, let's see. What are integers? The best way to explain or to give the definition of an integer or integers is by making what a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. And then so it's minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So now the set of these numbers, like all these numbers that appear here, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, minus 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, including 0. We call all these numbers as integers. Integers. So now let's look at A. All integers are natural numbers. Now what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are positive integers, like from 1 upwards to infinity. All these numbers, we call them natural numbers. So it is clear now that the statement is not correct, is not true, because integers, we have negative integers and positive integers. And natural numbers, they only fall under this category, on the positive numbers. So A is not correct. And then let's move to B, I'm sorry. All real numbers are rational numbers. All right. And then what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are numbers that can be written or expressed in a form of a ratio. Like for an example, 100. 100 is a rational number because 100 can be expressed in this way. 200 divided by 2 equals to what? 100. So 100 is a rational number. Now all real numbers are rational numbers. Real numbers, under real numbers, we can also get irrational numbers, like numbers that cannot be expressed in a form of a ratio. For an example, square root of 8. This number is irrational because it cannot be expressed in this form. So this tells us that B is also incorrect, because a square root of 8 also falls under real numbers, and 100 is also part of real numbers. But now it says all real numbers are rational numbers, which is incorrect, because if we say this is true, then the square root of 8 is excluded. Then let's move to C. C, all integers are real numbers. Under real numbers, we have this number, the irrational numbers, and we have what? Rational numbers. So these are called what? Real numbers. And then under integers, there are no fractions. It's only these numbers. So all integers are real numbers, because even these numbers, they also fall under real numbers. So now C happens to be correct. All integers are real numbers. These numbers are real numbers as well, whether negative or positive, including 0. They are what? Real numbers. Okay. D, all non-real numbers are irrational numbers. Under non-real numbers, we don't have irrational numbers, and we also don't have rational numbers. So this is incorrect as well. Okay, let's move to the next question. 144 plus 25.